Alright everybody, Mr. Fix-It here, dropping you another video. Today we are working on a Hoover self-propelled vacuum cleaner. We are changing the belt. As you can tell, it's very dirty, so I apologize. We are starting into spring cleaning, and this will be the next thing to get cleaned. But, here we go. As I reposition it, we're going to be taking out this bolt and this bolt. Alright, and here we go. Now, there's two belt systems in this. Primary that drives the entire system, and then a pulley wheel. I'll tell you one thing, folks, this one had me stumped for a little bit. It was driving me nuts. But today we're going to be changing this belt, and pretty soon this belt. So here we go. As you can see, I took this belt and wedged it in. Don't want to put too much pressure on it. You don't want to crack it or break it. Alright. I didn't see this before. But alright. As you can see, this belt is worn, has cracks, and the part number 38528-034. It's a Goodyear from Hoover. And we are going to be replacing it with a brand new belt, if it will focus. Same part number, same Goodyear, but as you can tell, it's not weathered. Now let's look at the other one. As you can tell, it's very narrow on the inside, and it was actually causing the vacuum cleaner to slip. So let's put the new belt on. Alright, now here we go. It's very stiff. Let's go under the primary belt. See how it's sitting stuck? So let's try to see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, you didn't see it, but I'm sorry. But it's in there now. And we go around it. Just like that. So let's put the other ones on. Alright, I'm sorry. It would have been very difficult to do it with one hand. But what I did is I looped it around the drive wheel. Alright, now we'll go underneath. And we just bring this belt up, loop it around, and just feed it. Now, like I said, this belt is next, but this one was causing it not to work. So now it should spin. Yes, it does. Okay, good deal. Awesome. Alright, well, that's Mr. Fix-It. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that like button. Have a good day.